If you want it,
Haitian All-StarZ.
got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody
Got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
I ain't saying this often.
You're listening to Haitian All-StarZ on Radio
Harry with Wyclef. If a man says dirty Harry, Lord know he's gonna die tonight. Whoa, hi. Right in front of Lily, making history. Haitian All-StarZ. We in the place well known. Lord knows. What we say? Yo, if they know who we rolling with the Haitian All-StarZ. Whoa. Yo, if they wanna know who rolling with, we rolling with the Haitian All-StarZ. Attendez, sous tes connais, ou pas tap jam ouvert bouche. C'est ça te fait kounyen, ou ave dormi ak mouche. C'est pas faute moi femme ou avec moi livre les couche. Li tande que Wyclef Jean li long, li pas court. Ou paraît dans chambre nan, ou tomber le foot. Ou perdi contrôle tomber tirer quand coup ma coûte. Mais Wyclef pas prend balle, non pas faire louga. On a mangé quand coup tire, John mixé à calalou. Even though we flipped it off, we get it back on beat. When it come to freestyle, trust me, you better retreat. I got many styles, way before Eminem. I was 8 miles saying ring the alarm, another sound is dying. Whoa, hi, I said ring the alarm, another sound is dying. Lord no, yo, if you test the Haitian All-StarZ tonight, you're gonna die, sound boy. Lord knows, yo, if you tell Dirty Harry tonight, sound boy, you're gonna die. Hey, big up my souls in Miami, out in New York City, my crew out in Queens, down there in Brooklyn. What we tell them, boy? Someone please call 911. Tell him I just been shot down, and the bullets in my heart, and it's piercing through my soul. Sound boy, feel my body getting cold, so cold. It's a styling when we come on Lily, no styling when we come on Lily, no styling when we come on Lily. Wyclef on with the DJ they call Ari, no styling. Y'all know, Lord knows, Lord Lily. Fédération de nos honneurs, Lord knows. They were seen on nos honneurs. Hey, why I be magazine on nos honneurs? Yeah, the souls in the place no nos honneurs. In the Genesis was the beginning, Lord knows. In the Exodus, they brought us to Brooklyn. When the Leviticus, the feds came to our house, raided the place, and they took many. Listen to me, I was raised on the Brooklyn Bible way. I was raised on the Brooklyn Bible way. I was raised on the Brooklyn Bible. My whole generation raised on the Brooklyn Bible way. We was raised in the Brooklyn Bible, trust me. We was raised never to worship idols. Oh, and then we moved to New Jersey. Out there in New Jersey, we got enough styling in the Booger basement. That is where we started. To those who passed on, Delhi departed. Shout out to the Fugees in Mount Zion. After this freestyle, they're gonna wanna reunion. Trust me, original bad man. Big up my people in this hand. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Wyclef Jean, I just flipped it in Arabic. Definitely got the theme, we do this often. My heart goes out to Boston.
This one coming straight from out of the dancer. This one coming straight from out of the dancer.
Haitian All-StarZ.